Well, good morning, love in the real world. Today is a little bit DIY. We're going to work on our little Puma trailer, and we're going to change out the factory door lock to the RV lock. That way, when Carol's out and about, and she has the keys, I can still get in with the keypad. Yeah, that's happened before. And we've only been on 2 trips so far, so I'm sure it would happen again in the future. So let's see how hard this is going to be and see if it's something that you might be interested in. So the first thing we got to do, I know, is to remove this. So let's start with that. I don't know why I'm doing this. Is the first time I tried it, so let's see how lucky we get. Got 4 bolts right here. Old man hands. No better time to do this is August, in the middle of the hot summer. And that's all it is to it, to removing this little baby. Now unboxing the RV lock. I have opened it, so hopefully I know how to do it again. So details inside, they come with some stickers and stuff like that. I guess they come with some instructions there. We'll read those later, I guess. I don't know. Then you get your lock, which is basically what we just saw, except with a few added things, and got a little box of goodies. So inside the accessory box, you get 2 keyless remotes. I guess your door jam stuff, and 2 keys. Hard to find out if it comes with keys or not, but it does come with keys. So now let's see if we can figure out how to get this thing in. Okay, the first thing you gotta do is remove this one screw that holds the assembly together. So I can do that right fast. I think that this screw is just kind of for like shipping. I don't know. Then once you remove that, they should separate like that. That looks good to me. How about you? So when you put it on there, that's basically how it should look. So a little, looks like it might be. Yeah, there we go. Hopefully it all tightened down like that. So you got this connector, and I'm assuming on this, I haven't read the instructions, just like any good man. I'm just going to plug it up right here. Hold that in. Probably don't need to do this, but might as well have something new and shiny. Looks like this little lip here goes towards the back. we get finished all of this, we'll probably read the instructions, see if we can't close it. Well, we're going to take the battery cover off. I believe this is what this is, I'm not sure. To be honest with you, I don't even know what type of battery it's supposed. So if you're out and about, I guess you're good to go because it's just AA Duracell batteries. These you don't have to tighten up very much. No reason to go back and retighten them. Don't want to break the plastic.
Enter new code and press lock. Enter new code and press lock. New code accepted.
All right. Okay, now I gotta figure out how to program this. Turn on the back plate, press the FOB.
Connect your remote. Remote connected.
If you lock this one up here, I know it, but if you lock that one up there, it locks it. Nothing unlocks it except the key. If you're thinking about buying one of these, hit our Amazon link in the description below. It really helps our channel out. If you found this information useful, hit that subscribe button. If you'd like to see more of it, leave some comments and hit that notification button. And until next time, we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.